Okay, come here. Zaydo is back. And he got something. Where did you get that, Zayd?
This car.
No, the Amo, okay? The Amo delivered Baba's order online. It's not yours. It's for Baba. Okay, now Mama and Zaydo will open Baba's parcel.
This car.
What's inside this parcel?
This car.
Police police car. We'll check, okay? Oh, Baba's shoes.
Boy,
This one, this is for Baba's cell phone. iPhone 16 for Baba, the cover of iPhone 16, and the case of iPhone 13 for Zayd. And these are Baba's shoes, Baba's favorite shoes. Oh, and there's another one. What is this?
this car.
Adapter, travel adapter. I will send it to Baba. We'll inform Baba that his order already arrived. Okay?
Doctor.
Adapter, not doctor.
Doctor.
Adapter, travel adapter.
Travel or doctor.
Yes, not a doctor. Why it's hard? The other one, Baba will open it. Okay?
Cigarette.
Yes.
This car.
What's inside that box, Zayd? Show to Mama. What is that? Huh? What is that? Baby Mama will open. Baby Mama will open. What is that? Huh? Is it a toy?
Okay.
Yes. It's not a toy. It's for Baba's phone. For charging, yes.
Charging.
Yes, Baba will connect here the cord and then Baba will charge his phone.
That's phone.
Yes.
Also, a phone.
Yes, this is for the phone. Baba's new iPhone 16 and for Zido's old iPhone 13 Pro.
Phone.
Yes, the cases of the phones. You want to open this
Yes.
plastic?
Like
This is not yours. This is for Baba. Why you open it? Huh? Tell Baba, Baba, can I open your shoes?
open the iPhone.
It's here, it's easy. Here, oh, there's a zip. And then remove. Zido will wear Baba's shoes. Oh, sige. Sige, remove the shoe tree. Oh, there's a shoe tree. It's nice. Okay, Zido will wear Baba's shoes. Go there. Zido is wearing Baba's shoes. Sige, walk. Oh, sige, walk. Oh, little Baba, come here. Little Baba. Oh, come here. Go. Come this side. Come here. Sige, go to the slide.
Oh, no, in the car.
Oh, in the car. Give me Baba shoes. Return them here. Return before Baba gets angry. Yes, return first the shoes. Okay, we'll change the casing of your iPhone 13. Okay, we'll remove the old one. Look at the old one. It's damaged. Oh, not damaged. Look. Not nice. See? Now we'll change the new
phone.
We'll use the new one, okay?
It's the new one.
See? Very nice. It's like leather. Oh, here. Wow, very nice. Now it's nice. Look.
Covered phone.
Yes, very
Covered
nice.
phone. Covered phone.
Finish na.
It's so big.
Oh, you have a nice phone. Zaydo cell phone. Baba will change his casing when Baba comes, okay? Because Baba not here and the phone also not here, okay? Only Zido. Only Zido's phone, huh? Very nice, huh? Oh, what do you want?
This phone.
You want to open this? How you?
Put the
You cannot change also because Baba's phone not here. Baba took his phone. This is the casing of Baba's phone. Oh, just open it and see the color and
Wow.
oh wow. The color is wow. It's a brown leather. Yes, nice. Huh? Which one you like more, Zido's casing or Baba's casing? Huh? Throw the old case in the trash bin, the old one. Throw, it's not nice. It's damaged already. But do not throw the new one, huh? Do not throw the new one. It's for Baba, only the old one, okay? Sige, throw. Throw the old one. Where's the new one? Where's Baba's casing? Where? You throw also? He threw also the new case. My God, this boy.